Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about the time. Okay, how much time should a student should give to UPSC studies. Okay, I divided the time into two categories. You can see here, for non-working individual as well as working individual. The non-working individual should give at least 10 hours per day. The working individual should give at least 5 hours per day, and I clearly classified this time. You can see here, according to me, 1 hour should be dedicated for current affairs, in which you either take a newspaper or a magazine. Which one should take? I will discuss that in later videos. Okay, and the 1 hour should be dedicated for the revision of yesterday topics. Whatever you finished yesterday, that should be revised today. After revising this, you should give at least 30 minutes for answer writing. Under answer writing, you should write 2 questions from GS and 1 question from optional. You may get a doubt that from where should I bring these questions. Okay, for that I made a video regarding the syllabus decoding and previous year questions analyzing. If you decode the syllabus and analyze the PYQs, then it will be easy for you to bring these questions. Okay, I will discuss that in the later videos. Okay, the next 4 hours should be dedicated for GS subject. Okay, the another 1 hour should be dedicated for solving 30 MCQs per day. Okay, you should solve the 30 MCQs and read their synopsis, and you need to make a notes. I will clearly explain this in the upcoming videos, that how to make a notes, whether we should write entire synopsis here or we should create a short synopsis by saying the synopsis. I will explain in that video. Okay, and later you should dedicate 2.5 hours to optional subject also. Optional subject is very important. You should not neglect this optional subject. Okay, coming to the working individuals, the working individual should give at least 5 hours per day. Okay, under which he can give 2 hours in the morning and the 3 hours in the night. Okay, in the 2 hours in the morning, he can give a 30 minutes for current affairs, under which either he can read a newspaper or a magazine. Okay, and another 30 minutes he should give for revision of yesterday's topic. Okay, and another 30 minutes he should give for the answer writing after revision, completing the revision, under which 2 questions of GS and 1 question from optional. Okay, and another 30 minutes, in that he should solve at least 20 MCQs, and he should read the synopsis and make the notes of their synopsis. Okay, and another 2 hours should be dedicated to the GS subject and 1 hour should be dedicated for the optional subject. And it's optional, guys. Okay, if you want, you can dedicate 4 days for entire GS and another 2 days for entire optional. That's your wish. You can choose, you can modify this timetable as per your convenience also. Okay, it's just I provided a overview here. Okay, you can see here the note. I written a note here. Every Sunday test is mandatory for both prelims as well as the mains, and every Sunday the student should write 1 essay. It's mandatory, guys, because without these tests, you whatever you do, it's all waste of time. Okay, waste of time, waste of energy. Rather than keeping that time here, you should invest that time into somewhere. It will give a more yield. Okay, if you don't have ability to solve a test, please don't come to this field. Okay, test is very important. Okay, end of the year, end of the December means, if you started in the January, then for you it is end of the year means it's December. Okay, end of the year, all the students should complete at least 1000 MCQs of all subjects. Okay, what is 1000 MCQs of all subjects? It include history, polity, geography, everything, and 100 questions of each main subject. Okay, 100 questions of each main subject, which means that for 100 questions of polity you need to complete 100 questions of geography, 100 questions of history, you need to complete like that, and at the last you should complete at least 20 essays. Okay, guys, it's mandatory, guys. Please don't compromise on these 2 points. Okay, if you compromise this, then you are going to compromise on entire UPSC journey. Okay. Okay, this is the video guys. If you like this video, then please do like and subscribe. Okay, please note down this, note down into this, into a book. If you want, I will provide this PDF also. However, I need to discuss some other topics also. At the end of the all topics, I am going to provide the PDF also. Okay, and this is the first question guys. In the next video, I'm going to in the next topic, in the next season, I'm going to take another question. Okay.